In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VuManChu Cipher A Indicator in TradingView Pro quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the indicator fully added to your chart and you'll be ready to start exploring its signals on your own. First, go ahead and open up your TradingView Pro chart. Make sure you're on any market and any time frame you like. It doesn't matter for this setup. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually near the toolbar where you see options like Time Frame and Compare. Click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies panel. When that panel opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any built-in indicators or community scripts. Click into the search bar so it's active and ready for typing. If you already have a lot of indicators saved, using the search bar will save you time and make sure you pick the correct one. Now, in the search bar, carefully type VuManChu Cipher A. As you type, TradingView will start showing you matching results. Make sure you select the one that exactly matches the name you're looking for. If you see multiple versions, choose the one that best fits your needs, usually the most up-to-date or most widely used version. Once you find it in the list, click on it once. The indicator will automatically be added to your chart and you'll see it appear, typically in a separate pane below your main price chart. After the indicator is on your chart, move your mouse over its name in the indicator area. You should see a small gear icon appear next to it. This is the Settings button. Click on the gear icon to open the settings window for VuManChu Cipher A. Here, you can customize things like colors, line styles, and specific inputs the script uses. Take a moment to adjust the visuals so they're easy for you to read against your chart background. You can always come back later and fine-tune these settings as you get more comfortable with how the indicator behaves. If you don't already have TradingView Pro, or if you're looking to upgrade, check out the sign-up link in the description below this video. Using that link will get you started quickly, and make sure you're using the same version of the platform I'm demonstrating here. Once everything is set, close the settings window and start scrolling through your chart to see how VuManChu Cipher A is plotting its signals. That's all there is to adding it in TradingView Pro.